My quad.
I just went through it.
Oh, somebody's belts got wet. You can hear them. Must be the Can-Am.
Yeah, it's fucking Can-Am.
I know. Oh, let's see the truck now. This will be good. That's a good video. Of course, it's a Dodge. If it was a Ford, it'd get stuck.
What?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
Well, I gotta prove it now. Come on.
Such like a big kid. It's a lot of water.
Lots of water. Even my drinks are staying cold in the water.
Just need some ice. You got built-in cooler.
Hey, no problem though. People that say that these Sniper 800s don't like water probably never owned one.
That's exactly it.
There you go. There's proof. Been
And
doing
if
it all day.
And if you
Doing it all day, no problem. Yeah, right.